friends, Running Kimono here. So this is a really superb deal for some Listerine. We are avid users of Listerine, especially Cool Mint in our household. And you do go through a lot of mouthwash if you're doing it like 2 or 3 times a day. The older you get, gingivitis and all those gum problems, you just need this specific one. So for this deal, and yes, the older you get, for all you millennials and young couponers out there, you're going to deal with this when you get old like me. This is a super deal. Okay. Answer a couple quick questions. Again, I would do this Walgreens in store. I believe the curbside and in-store prices are exactly the same for this product. And with curbside, some stores, they don't give you a receipt anymore. And that will cause a huge problem because we're looking at $20 of gift cards through 2 different sites with this little dealio. So I think in-store is just the most painless way to go because you absolutely need a receipt for this deal. So in the store, in the dental care aisle, we're going to be grabbing a 500 ml bottle of mouthwash. I'm going with Cool Mint because that's what we use. But if you like Fresh Burst, it's also part of the list. So I'm grabbing one of the 500 ml and then one of the liter. So the tiny one, the baby, and then the big one that are tagged. And then if you look at the tag really closely, guys, it says $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend 10. And we're going to grab $30 of this product. So we're going to get back 15. And look at the end date for this offer. It's August the 27th. So, you have a couple weeks to do this if the out-of-pocket is a bit too much or you want to just do it a little bit later. And here it is, $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend 20 on selected Listerine products. Definitely look for this tag in store or use the app and scan and see if it's part of this promotion. Now we're going to use this specific booster with the deal. If you might have a paper deal to stack, it's an even bigger money maker, but we're definitely going to have to throw this guy in this. So after you pay the large sum of $30, there's 2 different sites. And this first one is, I actually had to go back to school reward. The college one wouldn't give it to me, but basically you buy, I think it's $25. You can't include coupons or anything like that. It's be $25 after all of that magic, and then you'll get back a $10 gift card. The link for both of these sites are in the description, and this is running from, I believe, July the 1st right till August the 31st. So if you did it earlier in the month, you're kind of out of luck. And this is the second site, and it's the same sort of thing of spend $25, get back a $10 gift card. And I did this last week, and it worked perfectly for me. So hopefully, if you go through a lot of Listerine in your household and you were wanting to stock up. And another aspect to this, guys, is that for the first rebate, you actually have to buy all of it on one receipt. You can't buy like a bottle here, a bottle there. It doesn't track progressively. So just keep that in mind as well. And with these 2 sites, you're basically photographing your receipt and uploading it to the site. And what they're providing is this goofy amount of points, but basically $25 is 2,750. So you can get a $10 Visa gift card. I basically got 2 $10 Starbucks gift cards because that e-gift card is part of it. It's just really easy to use. So just to show you again a close-up of the bottle, you're like, what do I buy? One 500 bottle. It's $6 and some change. And then the much larger one, the liter, which is $8.29 in store. And I went with Cool Mint because I'm cool. So we have the dollar digital coupon. I know that dental offices sometimes have Listerine coupons. Sadly, this is just one item they just haven't been producing a ton of coupons for. So here is the math for this spectacular deal. Grabbing 3 of the 1 liters at $8 and some change. It's $24.87. And then 1 Listerine 500 ml, the smaller one, for $6.29. For a total of $31.16. We have that $1 digital coming off. Now this is where it gets painful, guys. You're going to have to charge $30.16 to your debit card. You're using a spend booster, and this is a spend offer. That's why. Have that 5 back when you spend 20 loaded. Any paper booster you can scan also at the till, very smart. And then you're getting back $20 in Walgreens cash, $15 for the Listerine, and $5 for the booster. Plus, you're going to apply to the 2 different sites, and you're going to get $10 back from one, $10 back from the second, making it $20 of gift cards, making this free plus a $9.84 money maker. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, or it will mess everything up. Again, if you go through Listerine like we do, like water in this household, this is definitely a really creative deal to get this stuff on the cheap. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.